star A has an intercept of 0.4 towards, and the azimuth is 275. So if I measure from the centre of the plotting sheet 275, and I then want to just shift that over to the point that I've run star A onto. So I've measured it off in the centre, but then I've moved it up so that it is at the point that star A has been run onto. And I'm actually going to plot my intercepts 0.4 towards. So I'm actually going to measure 0.4 and from that point there I'm actually going to plot a very small intercept towards 275 from point A. So that is my intercept for point A. It is quite small there, but basically that's my intercept. The position line for this is 185 to 005. So I'm simply going to line up the parallel or rolling rule with 005, 185 for the position line, then move it over to the very end of that intercept. And at the end I'm actually just going to draw that through the ITP, the intercept terminal point. So you can see that that line there, that's my position line that I'm drawing. And because I've transferred that line on, I'm going to put double arrowheads on that. Is everyone with me up to that point? The next thing I'm going to do is star B. So with B, I have an azimuth of 140, and this time the intercept's 2.5 towards. So we don't have to transfer this one to a run on or back position, because it actually is, the observation was made at 1952. So 140, I'm going to plot 2.5 towards. So I'll line up my parallel or rolling rule. With 140 and measure off 2.5 in the direction of 1.0. So there's my intercept for star B. And again, I'm going to line up my ruler with 230 to 050, which is my position line. And you'll be able to see if your maths has gone wrong at this point, because the line won't appear to be perpendicular to the end of the intercept. And you can plot your position line through the ITP. Like so, and you only need single arrowheads here because it's not been transferred, it's just gone from the centre. Okay, so finally C is, this time it's an away intercept. So the fact that C is away means you have to really focus on making sure you plot this one the right way round. The azimuth is 016. So again, we'll just line up our rolling rule with 016. And this time, we're still going to move it to the point that we're going to run, we've run C back to, but rather than plotting it in the direction of 016, we're going to go back the other way. Okay, so just to show that again, that's 016 there. We're actually going to be plotting it in the direction of 196, because that's the reciprocal, and that's because it's an away intercept. So we're actually going to be plotting it that way. And the distance for this one is actually 3.5 away. So in this case, there's my intercept there. My position line is 106 to 286. And I'm just going to shift that down to the end of the intercept, draw my position line, and I'm going to put double arrowheads on the end again this time because this line has been transferred because of the run distance to C. So that's how you've constructed your plot there, and you can see that your position lines all intersect at this point here. So you can see that that's the point where your fix is.